Hey y'all, it's Kasia, and today I'm going to be showing y'all how I do a hair mask and deep conditioning treatment on myself. This is my natural hair. I have just washed the deep conditioner and mask out, and this is how my hair is looking. I haven't put anything in it. Oh wait, no, I put a little bit of my growth serum on my edges and my scalp a little bit, but that's it. And this is exactly how my hair is looking, and I'm just going to do a little length check for y'all, and we're gonna get into this hair mask making. So this is how long my hair is. If you've been following me from the beginning, you know my hair was like this big at first. If you've been watching me from the beginning, you know that my hair was like this short, and now it's this long. So I'm gonna give y'all a front view length check as well. Okay, let's get into this video. Okay, y'all, so I'm going to be using a fresh aloe plant, a whole ripe avocado, and some growth serum. I'm also going to be using some conditioner, but I don't add that into my blender just because I really don't want to add like actual hair products in my blender. My growth serum is just like natural oil, so that's not a big deal. But yeah, I'm just going to be adding the full avocado and then a slice of my aloe vera plant, and I'm just going to be slicing out the inside, the gushy part, and scraping that all into my little mixer cup thingy, and then I'm going to be using a tablespoon of my growth serum and putting that in there as well. You can use whatever type of oil you like for your hair. If you would like to purchase my growth serum, I will leave the link to my website in the description bar below, but you can substitute it for like black castor oil and peppermint oil. Like if you make your own concoction or something, or you have an oil that you already like, you can use that. If not, my oil is available. So I'm going to come back to y'all after I blend it up and we get to putting it in my hair. Okay, y'all, so this is my shampoo and conditioner that I sell. You can find it on my website. I'll link it down in the description bar below if you do want to check it out. I love it, but I'm going to be using this conditioner to mix in with my mask. If you have a favorite conditioner, you can use that, but I love my conditioner. So anyways, when I'm doing my hair, I'm putting the fresh aloe on my scalp and then going section by section and putting the mask all on my scalp. So I'm going to be taking some of the mask and some of the conditioner. You can actually mix the conditioner into the mask, or you can do it the way that I'm doing it. But you want to make sure you detangle your hair really good while you're doing it, and you're going to let it sit. After you put it in all the sections, you're going to let it sit for at least an hour. I did 10 minutes, the first 10 minutes under the dryer, and then the rest of the time I just let it sit with the bag on it and I rinsed it out, and that was pretty much it for the mask. I'm not really going to talk through this tutorial just because I don't really think that it's necessary that I do, because it's super self-explanatory. But I do hope that y'all enjoyed this video, and also stay tuned for my next video, because I am going to be doing a talk through video about how I grew my hair out, since everybody has been requesting a video on how I did that and my hair journey. So stay tuned for that. I hope you all enjoyed this video and that it helps y'all hair. Thanks for watching. Bye.